It's Juvenis.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Remen Oseme. If I can hear you, I never did bow again. When you hon let a mon about home. No sooner no there sooner than that. There's a matter with Juvenis Magazine TV today, yesterday, and forever. Keep watching Juvenis TV and subscribe to Juvenis TV. And also get their magazine. You get the better gist with them for everywhere. As far the whole world, not just entertainment, every walks of life. Bakam now starts talking. Oh my welcome.
Yeah,
how far I know say this our country, many things happen since when you go. Many things happen since when you go.
I tell you,
many things happen. Many things happen. At least you could share your experience now with us as the show they run. That's so that today you go pay me small because I no go see clear eye till welcome people. Come on, talk the show.
What's in your eye?
The Sansa where did this eye so Sansa where enter this my eye today. He reached to mold 6 inches block like 32.
That half
Sansa full this eye.
half bungalow.
As I dey come studio just now enter Okada.
Okay.
The idiot Okada rider just carry me dey follow trailer for back. Trailer where carry 22 tires, 11 this side, 11 this side. All the Sansa where the trailer tire they throw away for back. All the internally displaced Sansa na my eye na all of them set to put. This eye full Sansa where full my eye now. Not be small thing not be small thing.
I feel
the eye dirty. They are dirty. All right, based on that, my brothers and sisters in the Lord and the general matter, now with open mind as usual, but with dirty eye. Now say welcome na come on top the portmanteau today. And I know say this one another one show where they get the mind to chook mouth for matters where other shows not they get the mind to chook mouth. Put and I'm me Osagato that fine proud believer all of radical talk. Nice to see that here. So and I'm not there alone. I'm there with my usual guest, my honorable fellow.
That's what I old boy Bamidele Opemi Belu. We everybody call MC Bob. Yes, me are there with a very clear eyes and a very friendly heart today to welcome our studio for the portmanteau.
That's so. All of that one I don't watch this program before. When I know as we always do, and immediately after we introduce ourselves, finish like this, we go rush and go collect our cup of coffee as it is hot. Another one I won't go do right now. We could not go anywhere. We'll come back very shortly. Now so life is good.
A good coffee.
With good coffee. Now so Bob.
Yeah, bro.
Get with the reason. Get with the worry me.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
You get anything where you did do unconsciously. Where we say you did do this thing. Where we say the thing now don't come even the turn usual practice. And you know they know when you dey do am, but you go just know say you do this thing and you dey do am regularly. Now the thing don call the turn habit. You get anyone where you get like that?
I get.
Which one?
You see that time when I did grow up, I suck my finger reach one certain stage because I'm gentle. I know they talk.
Okay.
If you put water from my mouth, you go meet the water.
You go meet that there, gentle Bob.
Based on that, when I want to think, when I found the regional stage in my life, when thinking when they enter, I go to bite my finger.
Oh yeah.
I go bite my finger. I go to bite them. Or like those who say when they get baby, those who get baby, they will put like think as a man. But me, I don't get not today. I go to bite my finger and say, oh boy, this one, I made this one pure like this.
This was that's what they do from small. Don't turn habit. Even up till now, you dey do am.
Up till now, unconsciously, I dey do am. I be the public place. I dey crack head, I dey crack that. Me joke.
I don't notice as you do as so now, I don't notice. Even inside studios, you dey do am. I notice I get one or two also like that. I get one or two like that. I just gonna say, you don't turn usual practice. If I piece finish, the next thing I go do na to spit on top my piece. The thing don't master me. I don't know where I get that brain from. I don't know where I get that. if I hear peace like I don't know wetin they do, I don't know the effect, I don't know the implication, I don't know whether I get any advantage, but I just go and say if I hear peace finish, either for before now for public, if I peace for main road, or I peace for street, or I peace for near tree, or I peace for gutter, I will just spit. You understand? But now, because this is how master me, so even if I piss inside my own personal bedroom now, I go still spit on top. I don't dey used to now. Honestly, I don't dey used to that.
On a serious
that's all those habits where the master man, where person still grow up with,
yes,
you know. I beg all those stuff now when I watch us. If una get any habits where una self get, where una dey practice, I beg make una hit our comment box, make una let us know. Then if una get any habit before, where una not like, where una don't change. When I not call the dry again, I don't stop, and I not call the dry again. Still hit our comment box. Let us know the habit. Let us know the steps where you take overcome that habit. Now so we go to enter our first matter on top the portmanteau today. Bob, this matter now waiting touch me. A matter where it touch me seriously. A mature woman.
Okay.
A mature woman. Just go bracket her daughter for hotel. Where guys they gripper the girl and they susuonu the girl at the same time. Gripper and susuonu. Oh my!
The woman don't make the daughter enjoy. You don't make the daughter chop fruit.
Chop which kind of fruit?
The hip fruit.
Which fruit?
The fruit where hip chop.
They tell her that fruit that Eve chop. They say Bible say no misquote. No Bible say Eve chop apple.
And the eyes are open.
And her eyes are open. Not be gripper and susuonu. The woman don't catch the daughter for hotel. You understand?
Yeah.
You know, come malhandle the girl. You malhandle the girl. You malhandle the girl, beat the girl up for hotel. Even call they threaten for that hotel. Say if they reach house, say na pepper water. Now she go take bath the girl. Based on say the girl not fit close her lap.
You know?
He said the girl not fit close now. Say na pepper water go take bath am. You know, but where the video come touch me now,
okay,
yeah.
Before
we begin to talk about the video, and make our people view the video, make them see what we dey talk about. Alright, we gonna see what we dey talk about. Look that video, I see a mother who is embittered. Let me use that English.
Yes.
The woman was so embittered. She was not happy with
all.
the lifestyle or the step where her daughter did take. She was so embittered in that video.
I can feel her pain. I can feel her pain as a mother. But no be today, Yash dey back.
No.
He dirty.
Dirty.
Back titi. From the days of Adam and Eve. when the innuendo was in the apple form, and both Eve was tempted to eat the fruit, and the Bible says, and if I were open, and the Bible says Adam also had the fruit,
and his eyes too were open. But in this case now, the girl now. Like say na her own eye now na just dey open because the guys when they grip at the girls Susuonu, those ones eye don open tete, they don first chop one apple, they don chop apple tire.
Those ones are they represent serpent. When they say Eve, take this fruit.
Oh boy, you know but wetin me I call dey look
yeah, bros.
Wait, the question where me I wan ask
okay
now.
Now
The action where that woman take on that girl,
yes,
does it correspond with our present society and this present age where we dey now?
You see, from the video we watch, so I see a woman who is traumatized, who actually wants the best for her daughter. We would not have known how the girl was being trained. That's not our business now.
Okay.
But with the video we've seen so far, may I believe say the woman should have approached. But that's the best way she feels she can approach it. Maybe she don't talk for a long time.
Okay.
Say this girl, this thing where you don't start. Stop
am.
If it brings shame to you, if you get belly, if you get disease, if you do this, you know. And me I believe say that woman, that approach then, it could just make the girl they couldn't the more.
Good. Now wetin I wan talk be that, because you see that approach where that woman takes, so e go further push the girl outside.
Na so.
You understand? Because this kind of problem not be problem where Ken beating pepper water dey solve o.
No.
Because if you see this girl now, e be like say the way where the girl dey beg, like say she just dey start.
Just start. Not true.
You understand? Because if na girl where don mature inside the business, she go rebel.
She go change am.
She go change am for her mama, say mama you don do your own, let me do my own. You don enjoy your time. Let me enjoy my own time. You understand? That na for girl where don mature inside the runs. But this one now dey beg.
I'm mature.
If you see the girl dey beg, that mean say the girl just dey start. But me I no come recommend or I no come advise the step where the mama dey take, because na harsh step.
Very harsh.
E go further push the girl outside.
Yes.
E go further push the girl outside. Yes, the girl go come form another modus operandi.
To develop some psychological.
And if the mama no take care, that girl go run comot for house.
She go run, obviously.
She go run comot for house.
All those guys go tell her, say,
come, we get house for you. You
So
know those bad boys wey
service
foot
her money
around. Come, they go waste her life for her. You understand? You understand? But wetin me I come dey reason again for the matter now na the mama herself. The mama herself. Before your daughter come be like this.
Yes.
Where you dey? The mama lifestyle.
Another thing.
Nobody know the mama lifestyle. Whether na the mama lifestyle na the girl see so where she took all the copy.
Yes.
You understand now? Nobody know.
Yes.
Nobody know.
Yoruba adage go say na the horse with the front, na the one with the back.
They follow. If that one lost, one way they back to go lost. If that one see road, one way they back to go see road. Honestly, the thing they touch me in a very bad story. But now the action where the mama take now, which implication you get on top that girl for society now?
You see, basically when you want to correct, Yoruba go talk say no be the beheading of the head. Say no be say you come out head, come out for neck.
Now they cure headache.
Cure headache. You see, you get some kind action where you go take. It go just give the girl some more reasoning to be more coded.
Like dialogue.
Yes. You see, when you tell the girl, say, this thing, sit down. A lot of parents don't even teach their children sex education. They don't teach them. They go hide them. Even, I don't say religious parents. Don't be even all those religious parents say, people say they don't want to talk about them. They just the idea.
It's not good though.
And they no go teach these people say na like this.
Not like this, not like that.
Time maybe say those girls, they go tell them say if man touch you, you
get belle.
You know those kind of things, those kind of.
And that's what they tell we guys too. That say you touch girl, the girl will get belle.
Now later when we say when we won't come, I know say we dey touch, but nah, you know.
No, leave the touch. When we concentrate on the one we touch now.
Not be all the time.
Not be all the time. Yeah. But wetin be the reason I say like this sex education thing when you talk is very important.
Yes.
It's very important for parents. Parents make una dey give una children sex education, especially when they don dey reach that age. 10, 12, even from 9.
Yes.
Even from 9. Many parents go say, yeah, no, if we tell them now, you go open their eye. Now wetin they know, they go want try, they go want test.
Ignorance.
No. Ignorance is better say make you teach them than make them go learn and come from outside. Because outside no go teach them the right parts.
They teach them the one wey go favour them.
The one wey go favour the outside. Not be the girl. But you as the parents, you go teach them the one wey go favour the girl.
Yes.
And wey go also favour the family name.
Yes.
And that is why you see like that many Christian home where you talk now. I know say many Christian home they no dey teach their children about sex education. They dey fear. And if you notice now, many girls, many pastor daughters.
I dey see.
They carry belly out of wedlock.
I dey see.
Yes. Not be say I know 1, 2, 3 pastor daughters wey carry belly out of wedlock.
Bros,
and why? Not because of say they no gree teach them sex education.
That's true.
You understand that? So please, parents, it is very expedient, especially now where we say rapists full everywhere.
Everywhere.
So you have to teach your children, your daughters. give them guidelines, things where they go see, where you go make them run.
Yes.
You know, from men, if girl where man go touch a girl now, you understand? The girl feel not count am as anything, but the man get ulterior motive. And the girl feel not know.
No,
you understand? But now when the parents teacher say, if man touch you like this, run.
Yeah.
Or shout, or do this for the man, or do that for the man.
This is what will happen.
Yes, this is where the man is going.
This one is a lie. This one is a lie.
Truth.
This one is true.
Oh.
Make the girl for no go chop apple, see apple sweet.
Make I can open.
I can open.
And if I open any corner, every day go to the miaka chaka braka.
Why not see apple sweet?
You go see what is sweet, come on.
Everybody go like am.
Go chop and tire, I go chop and tire. All right, my people, I don't see this story. We don't talk this small one. We feel say we feel talk. Parents are better. Not forget to they give our children sex education for house. So, go help them. It's better than beating.
Yes.
Because if they beat them too much, like what did that woman they do for that video just now? The girl go wrong, come off for us.
You go wrong.
Last, the girl go wrong. I get a typical example like that for the yard where we stay before we stay grow. Get one lady. The moment she enter secondary school, now she begin the susuonu up and down. The susuonu, and anytime she goes susuonu like this, her parents go trace her. When they trace and go, they go beat and come house. He get one susuonu where she goes susuonu herself. The parents catch her, chain her down for weeks.
Right.
Could you believe that after that chaining down for weeks, the day where they release the girl?
Yes.
The day where they release the girl, the next day the girl dress up like say she dey go school. I don't want to mention her name. Now Robo girl. She dress up like say she dey go school. She don't load her bag. Now from there she go. Till we pack come off for that house, they don't see the girl.
Hey.
She go. You understand? You know, so na so it not be na dialogue. Yes. Na dialogue. Yes. Na dialogue. All right, the first matter we will take on top the portmanteau today, in case you get any experience or you get any advice for that mother, those of now wanna get motherly love. You get any advice for the woman, make una help us put them inside our comment box, and we will forward them to the woman as we receive all of our comment or una advice as the woman fit take correct that girl better than the way where she take the duam. So you understand? All right, the next matter went inside the portmanteau, like we talked. Now the matter we wanna know, now the matter where we know, and the matter where we also know. SARS,
popular matter.
SARS, FSAR.
SARS.
What be the full meaning of that? Federal
Special Anti-Robbery Squad.
Anti-Robbery
Squad.
Anti-Robbery
Squad.
You know when they sweet me.
The robbery, see as we dey emphasize the robbery squad.
But no, you dey emphasize, but inside their name now or inside their operation, the robbery dey very silent.
Anti anything goes.
Anti anything goes.
Anywhere squad.
Oh boy, this one we say they laugh, so it's very bad.
In fact,
it's very bad. Many of this many people who don't get the nefarious activities experience of SARS for our country. Now I know so over the weekend something happened for Ughelli. Far away where the reports where we receive, they let us understand say SARS shoot one guy, carry in Lexus.
Run.
To be precise, the Lexus was a white RS Lexus Jeep. They carried the Lexus run. You understand? That was the info where we received and the video where we received.
Now follow them so they run.
Follow them, oh.
They run.
Did not kill the boy, oh. Save that Ughelli.
Save that Ughelli. See them.
009.
009.
For front of
Wetland
Hotel. See the Lexus, oh. Now the bike get this Lexus, oh. When they see her, see them, oh. They don't kill the bike, oh. The bike they road, oh. See them, oh.
That incident happened. You know, so many people talk.
Yes.
Many people just come up with the end SARS.
Because provoke people. See,
provoke people. Provoke people vex.
The robbery when they then have to be against. Now they do like say now
we citizens now can be the robbery. No, now we citizens be robbery now. We will not carry arms. We will not get any. You understand? So now waiting complain people about the SARS matter that people call that streets. The hala that almost turn mini war. It turn like a jigule war. Ughelli scatter now. Ughelli scatter. Enter every part. Enter Asaba. Enter everywhere. You understand? But where the SARS matter come dey painful, we say Nigeria, it come be like say they just set them up against young men.
Na so.
If you dress well, go out, you are in problem. You carry dreadlock, you are in problem. You wear jalamia, SARS catch you.
You wear tattoo,
SARS catch you. You palm hair,
SARS catch you.
iPhone
wey dey expensive in the hand of young people.
You carry laptop, problem. And you know where the problem is serious. Once they grab you for trouser like that, no say SARS go just dey waka, they just grab you,
so.
for trouser like this. Once they grab you for trouser like this, you don't enter.
You don't enter.
You don't enter. And the funniest part or the most nefarious part of their nefarious activity, let me use tautology. Nefarious part of their nefarious activity, they say, once they grab you like that, my guy, a minimum of 10,000.
Now so, they go even follow you go ATM. ATM start. You go cash out.
My neighbor's son.
Yes.
My neighbor's son. Young boy where they Unilag.
Okay.
Young boy they Unilag where they school. That's how they catch the guy now. Small boy, they catch the guy. The guy say he be student, he be Unilag student. This they say for where you be Yahoo, they check his laptop, they not see anything for a laptop. Check him phone, they not see anything for his phone.
They no see ID card.
Instead of them to release the guy, small boy, they are picking age. All those SARS, they are picking age where they Unilag. They carry the boy go ATM.
Imagine.
True life story. They carry that young boy go. My neighbor's son, you understand?
Yeah.
They carry the boy go ATM, go withdraw money, give them before they leave that boy.
Bros, this one na life experience, and I don't share this one with you before. SARS, I dey inside bus. E be like say they do stop and start that day. No. So as our boss, they approach na commercial bus, public bus. As our boss, they approach them. One jeep, they won't use us, our boss, stop the jeep. And all of a sudden it just happened. They just go. So it be like say the guy where they back. The guy said, citizens, more than they careful. If you not get any mosquito inside, any this skeleton, more than they take things calm. But they understand the fear of people.
Yeah.
Because that they are fear. Now so the jeep just come off our front. Everything just be like saying a film, a drama. I just hear I mean I dey sit for front. Now I carry my head go down. I don't fear. Then the next thing, they say, yeah, bastard, they call it face our driver. Let's say now our driver cause
problem.
I can say, see, you want to kill us? See how you open fire. The guy cock gun, tell me, say I will kill you and I will tell them you're a robber. Hey. The stupid man. Hey, come now. They call it.
He say go kill you. He go kill you. He go report say you go robber.
Yes, I be thief. So I will claim you a robber. A madman. Come down. And then one old woman waiting inside bus. The woman started to cry. They tell them, make they leave me. The woman, no, the woman before. I gentle. Boss, I gentle that day.
Once they come out like that, and I get one lady story now where she posts on social media too. You understand? I don't know. Blessed there be girls, there be students too. They SARS just burst into their apartment early in the morning.
Yeah, so I watch
you see the video.
I see
just
the
enter those girls, small young girls. Just enter their apartment. They search. Thank God say they record. Now the one where catch me pass or where give me some mental torture pass for that video be say the lady say you just barge into our house as if we are criminals. You understand? The man cause say what are you not criminals?
What kind of operation is that?
You confirm people to be criminals without trial, without seeing, and the search one I can search nothing una see. Nothing
they carry their laptop on the
nothing where they see.
Nothing at all like we are criminals or something.
Shut up!
Hey.
Hey, God.
Are you not criminal?
I don't laugh. My hair.
Is that the way you're supposed to address them?
Is this the way they're supposed to come into our house early in the morning?
Okay, I think you don't see the video.
Yes.
Just enter girls hostel. You understand? You get another video where I go still show as this because of this program they go on. The girl they sell gas.
Okay.
They say those guy, the guy and the lady just come buy gas for her shop. Before you know, they just clear. SARS just brackets the guy there. Tell her make he enter inside their motor. Now so they say arrest. Meanwhile, the girl where they sell the gas, the video says, "See, they just came to buy gas from you." Now they are no. As a young man, you no fit buy Mercedes Benz. As a young man, you no fit buy Lexus.
Imagine.
You understand? Okay, wetin dem wan more dey buy? More dey buy Bito.
Abi.
Many people, many prominent Nigerians, they come out, like Dr. Joe Abba. Dr. Joe Abba come out to talk. He say, and the police of Nigeria are not aware of the nefarious activities of SARS or that they support it. I don't understand.
Abi.
You know, and they say they are not aware of the activities.
What is happening?
What is happening with SARS, or they just throw away face.
Better man with
you know,
with
Ben Bruce too talk, the man with common sense.
Common sense.
Ben Bruce, if the man don't make common sense, common sense not green make sense. Ben Bruce, common sense not green make sense. Ben Bruce say even citizens, he say every citizen owns the right to life.
Yes.
Liberty and happiness. He said, but in Nigeria, the very body tasked with ensuring the protection of life and properties is the same body denying these rights. So, as citizens, enough is enough. The time to end SARS brutality is now. Now, let's talk about Bruce talk with that.
Forever.
You know, it's pathetic. Say the same people, whether they pay taxpayers, whether they use taxpayers' money to pay salary. Your money, your tax, and my tax. Then they gather, say they pay their salary. Those people now constantly use my money, they fight me.
Imagine.
They kill me.
Imagine.
I think you get the logic now.
Very bros, you never hear all those those stars, they get nickname. You go hear some kind nickname, you go fear, say, this was a police.
I tell you. And you know the name where they call their squad. It does not enter their head. Scorpion squad, Buffalo squad, this one squad. Why they not go stink? As you don't call person Scorpion squad, you go one sting now. You go one sting now. You understand? Oga Sunday Dare to talk. He say this government will not let that continue to happen. You know, he said this government. No, you know, Sunday Dare now the Minister of Youth and Sport. Is he Minister of Youth and Sport or Minister of Youth? Minister of Youth. He said this will not continue. Say this government will not let this continue to happen. This morning I got assurance that the police authority will take necessary and definitive action. SARS officers responsible for this systemic assault on the youth should be brought to book.
Good one, Oga. Good one, Oga Minister.
Where is it brought to book? Somebody can ask her which book? Genesis, Deuteronomy. You know, they have been bringing them to book. Which chapter are we on that book now? You understand? You know, it's not enough to bring them to book.
Let them be solid.
Let them be solid repercussion for every negligence.
Yes.
You understand? On the course of duty. You understand? These are taxpayers' money, and then you have to. Article 2 talk. Article say the Special Anti-Robbery Squad SARS unit of the Nigerian police was set up to confront violent crime such as armed robbery, kidnapping, and other related crimes. He said, however, the unit has today morphed into an oppressor of the Nigerian masses who strive every day for a better life.
Abi Oga Atiku don talk finish. I don't understand.
Yeah, wait till the man talk. They are against you for living a good life.
I don't understand.
Let's see where we work hard. So now, as we did now, they see us they drive Benz now. From the portmanteau presenters, we don't turn Yahoo boys.
Imagine.
Overnight.
We have the process them.
So the NSAS, this thing matter where they happen since. Me, I like them.
Okay.
I like I say people they
voice out.
I know say immediately, IG immediately talk. Immediately he ban them.
And like he always ban them.
He ban SARS. Like they always ban SARS. No, but this time I sure say he banned them for real.
He banned them for
He banned them for real. Say no more routine
Stop
check,
routine, yes,
no
yes.
more stop and search, no
Yeah.
more road block.
Yeah.
And now they must be wearing uniform.
better.
Come down here, go wear. You don't even see the SARS.
They wear glove.
Wait.
They tint their hair.
Hey, you don't see some SARS officers.
I didn't see them.
You go shop there.
Yes, they look like criminals.
And now this was like they make normal citizens. They always they rebel or
Yes.
Wait, I won't put the language safe. Oh.
Yeah, I understand you say.
Not be rebel actually. This all their dressing. Now they make citizens they resist arrest.
Resist. Okay.
You understand? You where you wear dreadlock, tint part one part with black, tint another part with red, put earring, some put nose ring. You understand? You know, leave your baby, carry gun. You want arrest me? I go resist. I will say, who are you in the first place?
Imagine.
Who are you?
I see one now wear native, normal native, carry gun.
Eh?
Want to stop people for express.
Who are you? You know, but another twist. Now, where come out for the End SARS campaign. Now one video where Daddy Shoki do.
Okay.
You understand? And that video I reason with her.
Okay.
I reason with her. So my people, make we watch Daddy Shoki response. That video now go bring the new twist to the End SARS campaign where they go on now.
Do we really like the truth? Do we really like the truth? Yes, we they do campaigns, say make the end SARS. End SARS, end SARS. Now to end SARS be the problem. If you end the SARS, you go scrap police. You no go scrap police. Those people are still policemen. Those people where they do, they misbehave. They be still policemen. The main thing now orientation. Make them our police. If they ask you now to come join police, your first intention now to oppress people, to wicked people, to use your position, oppress people. So now orientation. Inside police, they are good policemen, good honorable policemen. No be say every police line bad. Today, if you like, end SARS, you know go stop waiting they happen.
I think you don't see Daddy Shoki video.
Yeah. Midbrain.
Now that video don't put a very big twist to the whole End SARS matter.
Movement. Yes.
You understand? And I see say Shoki make brain.
Midbrain. Midbrain.
He make brain.
Maybe.
Because End SARS. If they end SARS now, people where they for the SARS squad, now police them be.
Na police and be.
How many police them be?
Na police and be.
If you end that squad, that means say all those police where they that squad,
that
you go draft them go that
Squad.
other department.
Not true. Not true.
So if they go that department, the mentality where they carry come from their
go
SARS,
corrupt that
they go take
department.
and go influence other people where be dey that department.
Yes.
Until you see the risk.
It's na big risk.
So that the Shoki advice. Say instead of end SARS, orientation I they need.
Reorientate them.
Give them proper orientation.
Reform them.
Reform them. Oh yeah, talk another one.
You know, reinstitute them.
Reinstitute them.
Re-energize them.
The energy when they get never too much. Love it, the energy when they get time, make them recapsulate them.
Reinstitute them.
Recapsulate. When they recapsulate SARS, you understand? Reform them. Send them to training.
Yes.
Bring experts to train them. I told the part of Daddy Shoki, I want Nigerian police to see how they can reform SARS. Make it a respectable squad.
Yes.
Give them proper orientation. They are not supposed to be against the people they are supposed to be for. They are for us. They shouldn't be against us. You understand me now?
Yeah,
I'm a young boy working hard for myself. I shouldn't be afraid to spend my money.
That's so.
You understand? I shouldn't be afraid to spend my money. Thank you, Daddy Shoki, for that wise video where you drop. You make sense with that video where you drop. You make brain. I've not so. Make we just lay SARS matter to rest on top the portmanteau today. If you get any experience with SARS before, either good experience or because despite us already talking about SARS, to some people still they praise SARS.
Yes.
Say if not be SARS where help them, if not be SARS where help them.
True.
You understand? If you get any experience about SARS, either good experience or bad experience, just hit our comment box. Make you help us put on there so that everybody go understand where SARS now all bad or some bad, some good. You understand? Okay, now so we'll take now only for Naija. Bob, you get any message?
Brush it.
Okay.
Now only for Naija or na Naija person.
Okay.
When we say they go take in lights, he go run go outside go check. If na other people self they take their lights. Because say Naija person, we know they like cheating at all. They like cheating. They must take everybody light.
Naija man don't like cheating.
They must take everybody
light.
light.
If they take my light, I must take everybody else. And the same bill we dey pay. This guy, where you dey think they go? I never understand. Now only for Naija or Naija person, now you go borrow money for your hand. When you go ask her to pay you back, it go still get mine. So tell you say park where. No go let me dey owe. Even federal government say na gbese be their middle name. Naija, you. Zoom. All right, my people. Now so we'll take quest generator on top the show today. Last, not let them deceive you. Coronavirus still there. Now real. Make sure say they apply your nose mask well anywhere where they go. They wash your hand with soap and water regularly. Not let your sanitizer far from you. Last, don't forget to give the number 2-meter gap where they say make we give ourselves at every point in time. Finally, don't forget say you be Naija. Anywhere you did they rep this country well. Yes, not follow them do waiting go spoil this country name. Not do drugs because you don't get any better thing when they do for body. Now so we go take cover for studio today. All right. Until next show again, we say make una hold on chest tight. Bob, thanks my brother.
Commenting on our videos, please keep commenting. If you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so for regular updates. Keep watching Juvenis and keep buying Juvenis.
Juvenis is published bi-monthly by Bunox Communications Limited. For enquiries, event coverage or advert placement, call 0803 360 8271, 0805 787 1199, 0702 811 3638, or 0808 152 4499, or visit www.juvenis.bunox.net. Juvenis Magazine, inspiring the young at heart.